Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 13. How to set up Power BI user account for trial versions.
In this class, we are going to discuss about how to set up Power BI user account for trial versions. Let us see how to set up Power BI user account for trial versions, that is for Power BI Pro Trial. There are different options. First option is check your email eligibility. Power BI needs one of the following allowed emails. First one would be your company email. For example, you are working for a company that is called GKey. For that, there would be webmail like siva@gkey.com. You can use this as your user account. Otherwise, if you do not want to use this like your working email, if you want to go for other emails for trial purposes or training purposes or practice purposes, you can use Microsoft 365 business email. Here, Gmail, Hotmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo and Outlook.com, these mails are not allowed. If you don't have a company email, you can create a free Microsoft 365 developer account. It works 100% for you, for your Power BI user account. There is an option B. If you are not having your company email, create a free Microsoft 365 developer account if you do not have work email. This method creates a valid work domain for free. Let us see these things practically how we have to do. For that, we have to get into Microsoft.com, that is Dynamics 365 free trial. I'll share this link in the description that you can make use of this link to create a Microsoft user domain. For this, what you have to do is you have to get into trial for free. The first option, I'm clicking on it. Here you have to give your any Gmail account that you want. For example, I'm trying to create GKey solutions @gmail.com. If you give anything like this, if you check this box and start your free trial, it will show you something. Please enter work account for the best trial experience. It will show you the error like this. In this scenario, what you have to do is to continue with the GKey solutions.com setup. There is a URL here. You can click on this. If you click on this, it will just open you the other link. Here again, I am just giving my Gmail ID. At gmail.com and I'm clicking on next. Here, please solve the puzzle, something like that is going to pop up. Here you have to make it possible. I'm trying to do it. Verification is this kind of verification for someone it used to come, or someone it may not come, but you have to use that one. And then you have to get into setup account. Here you have to give your full details. For example, I will try to give my details here. Siva, Ram, surname, P, something like that. Job title, kind of executive, business phone number. I'm trying to give you a number. You have to give a valid number here. For this, you'll be getting a text something. You have to verify that one. The company name, you can provide something else like this. Company size also 2 to 4, whatever your name you can. Does your company have website? This is the main thing that you have to select no here. And you have to select any country. And coming to these check boxes, it is better to uncheck all the check boxes over here. And you have to click on next. And if you click on next here these things are going to be pop up. You can change your names here. I'm changing it as Power BI Sivaram. Here also for Power BI at the rate sivaram.onmicrosoft.com will be email that is going to be created. The password, you can give a better password. I have to confirm the password again. And you have to click on next. Is not available, you can take any other, something Sivaram 87 something. Now it is trying to create on Microsoft.com account. It is taking some time. Here, if you come to these things like add payment, a method, something like that, there's no need to give any details. Or here you can open www.powerbi.com. Here I have created this email. I'm just trying to click on this email, powerbi@sivaram87 on Microsoft.com. I'm trying to click on it. And here enter your work or school email ID, and whatever the email ID that we have created over there, we have to give that here. It is like powerbi@sivaram87.onmicrosoft.com is the email that I have created. powerbi@sivaram87.onmicrosoft.com. Verification is complete now. It is trying to create that account. Now I am trying to sign into this powerbi@sivaram87.onmicrosoft.com. Now here job title that we have created and the phone number that I am trying to give here. Now it is done. You have to click on get started. It is preparing the environment for me now for Power BI service. Then only if you create this kind of like domain account only, you can able to deploy the reports from Power BI service, like Power BI desktop. See, this is a Power BI desktop. If you want to deploy any reports to that particular email ID, you have to sign in with the same account that we have created. Email ID is powerbi@sivaram87.on-microsoft.com. Now it is signing into the account that we have created. Use another account. Here again we have to give that powerbi@sivaram87.on-microsoft.com. Password it is asking, you have to remember this password. You have to use this for all the apps. I'm just selecting no only for this app. See, now we have signed in with Power BI Sivaram 87. If you create any report, if you want to deploy to the same server, see here it has set up for Power BI Sivaram 87. For example, if you create any report from here, I'm just trying to create a report here. There is no data source. I'm trying to get a data source. This is a data source I'm just taking. I'll just explain you how these things are going to be happen. We have to sign in the same thing in Power BI desktop and Power BI service level as well. I'm trying to create a single, a small report here. I'm trying to deploy it to the same. And I have connected to financials. Here I'm just trying to create a small report with the country, profit or something. This is a small report that I'm trying to deploy. To deploy this report from Power BI desktop, you have to first sign into the account that we have created by using Microsoft, and here you have to use the option publish. You have to save this one before publishing the report. Domain report, something like that. I'm saving it, and wherever you want, you can save this file to there. Now I'm trying to deploy it to my workspaces. Let us see. Now there are no other workspaces here in the Power BI service. There is only my workspaces available. You can create any number of workspaces you require. In real time also you can see the user defined workspaces. By default you will be having workspace called my workspace. I'm trying to deploy this report to my workspace. It is deploying over there. To do any deployment, first you have to sign in with your domain account in Power BI desktop as well as in Power BI service. Then only you can deploy this report to that particular server. See, now the domain report got deployed to Power BI service. Now we are in which account? Power BI @sivaram87.onmicrosoft.com. In this way, you have to create Microsoft domain account. Then only you can able to deploy a report from our published report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. I think you got some idea. Here the Gmails, Yahoo, Redmail, these things are not going to work. For trial purposes, you have to create one domain account by using Microsoft feature that has been available here. By using this thing, you have to drop here. No need to fill all these details. I think you got some idea about creating a domain account for Power BI desktop and Power BI service to work with the reports publishing into the Power BI service. Thank you. Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.